Way back rewind here. I've already talked about the HDR S18 and its broken screen. Finally was able to pick one up off eBay for less than $15 broken. I've already disassembled it 2 or 3 times just to practice to see if I know how to do it. Fortunately, the camera has to be completely disassembled to remove the screen. It's not a simple operation. We're going to give it a shot here. It's not really usable in its current form, so I was using it as a Christmas tree ornament. So we're going to see how it goes. Wish me luck. Well, the operation was not entirely successful. Even though the screen is coming on and the camera still works, the screen will only work in this orientation. When I flip it out normally, the camera shuts off. So it is an improvement, but given that I bought a broken camera for parts for less than $15, it was a fun exercise, but I don't feel entirely successful. If I can find another parts camera, I'll give it another try. And thanks for watching.